Good morning, children. Today we are revising the sound J. Okay, so
This
let's
is
start.
Jeep. Okay, Jeep. It's a vehicle. Jeep. Say with me. Jeep. 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 Joker. 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 Say with me. Joker. Jug. 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 Say with me. Jug. Jacket. 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 Jelly. Do you like jelly? Yes, jelly. 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 So these are the pictures related to the sound. You need to read these pictures. Okay, I will tell you once more. Jeep. Jeep. Joker. 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 Jug. Jug. Jacket. Jacket. Jelly. Jelly. So you need to read these pictures, okay? So it's a Jeep, Joker, jug, jacket, jelly. So read these pictures. So it's a jeans, 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 jellyfish, jellyfish. Say with me, jellyfish. Good job. Jar, jar. Say with me, jar. Juice, juice, juice. Jam, jam. Say with me, jam. Jumper, jumper, jumper.
Okay, children, now we will write the J sound in the English notebook. Okay, first we will write the date, okay, 16 October, and then we will start writing the J sound. So you must remember your J will start with the first blue line and it will end to the second red line. Okay, so we will start writing. So standing line and then the curve to the left and the dot on top. Okay, standing line, then the curve to the left and the dot on top. So I will tell you again. See very carefully, children, because you need to make the formation in the notebook correctly. So standing line and the curve to the left and then the dot on top. Standing line, then curve to the left and the dot on top. Standing line, then the curve to the left and the dot on top. So in this way you will write the J sound in your notebook, okay, and you will write it in the whole page. Okay, now children, we will revise all the sounds that we have learnt till now, that is S to J. Okay, we will write all the sounds in the notebook and then we will revise it together. So let's start writing. So the first one is S. Say with me, S. S for sun. A. A for apple. T. T. T for table. E. E for igloo. P. P for parrot. N. N for net. K. K for cat. K. K for kite. E. E for elephant. H. H for hen. R. R for rabbit. M. M for monkey. D. D for dog. G. G for goat. O. O for orange. A. A for umbrella. L. L for lamp. B. B for ball. J. J for jug. So this you need to do at home. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye kids.